Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the horror version of Wenda. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a circle for the shape of the head. Now top and side, and let's draw another 2 circles for the eyes. Now inside each eye, let's draw an oval. And then on the outside, let's draw a small diagonal line up, like this. And then hop to the top and let's draw 2 curves for the eyebrows. Next, we're going to move underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a large curve across. And that's it for the mouth. Now in the bottom right corner, let's draw a wavy line across, like this. Next, let's hop up to the top of the head and let's draw 2 angled lines out and up. And then angle them back down underneath. Now underneath, let's leave a gap and let's draw another pointed shape out from the sides of the head. And then a smaller one underneath on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start with 2 angled lines down underneath. And then a line across at the bottom. Now top in and along the left side, let's draw a wavy line down. And then add a few circular blobs next to it. And that's it for Horror Wenda. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!